don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Jeremiah here with RVFix. If you got a valve handle that's giving you some problems, it broke off and you need a new one, these Valterras just spin off. So sometimes you got to use pliers here to grab this because it'll spin the stem. As we come out here, so it comes out just like that. Now this is just your backing nut, so you can do your adjustments. So once you get it in, back in, so this one has its own reach rod. So we're just gonna screw that back in. And then say you want it a little more, so you'll just tighten this up and then it won't spin anymore. But we're gonna put this one back to where it was. So we're gonna put this backing nut all the way to the handle. This will also give this extension a lot of extra support because it's just a hollow aluminum extension. So the more you can actually put in there, it'll reduce the risk of it bending on use. Nice and tight there, and then there we go. That's how you replace a Valterra handle. So with your valve handles here, they're right next to the valves. So you got Valterra, and then these ones are your Bristols. They're just not in a Bristol package, but they usually have the screw that goes through the center. And then if you have the reach rods, you also have these. That's another option as well. You'll just need to know your measurement. So on this one, we have one of the Bristol valves I was talking about. It is a little bit different. So it just has this screw here, and actually you can see this one is loose. So you just unscrew it, and it comes off. So your new one will come with a screw and a handle, and you can actually get them color coordinated. So your black tanks can have black handles and your gray tanks can have grays. You're just going to slide that handle back on the stem. And then the screw goes in. And just snug it up. And then there you go.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.